sin deach clúiche muoi fat na húne, a bhórchuid sin húne sé ball cóise bhain. A mis mún go a thuúdúine go próseáil a bhí tíine ó Eirisgeidh had son go bhí Eirisgeidh a bhachba.
The club is a home from home, a sanctuary, an institution. I mean, it's on our badge, Eileanaich Ghlaschu.
A deúchtaí sin deúine go chultach chéile.
Eileanaich Ghlaschu, dachaigh falbh an dachaigh, son móran gin na cluicheadainn.
Is me se Ali Dòmhnallach san na Eirisgeidh hami sin far a tóca mí cúteach. Se Eileann go beic go hain, rúci me sé gam na nachrá caws a dam, so bha sin deach den héin. Chará sin fhàgáil móran, bha sin déanú thuail sin Eirisgeidh. Chará tá rám ach bhá cúteach bhórchuid sin dúine a muoi a clúich.
Colach the móran eile a bhí sa fhàgáil a dachaigh, ba Ali a fadachging mar gorói a fiachain the choimhearsnachd go lorg, colach this in che for a dachaigh a hokal.
Oh, Super Ali as he has become known. He loves the club, I'm sure of that. He would run through a wall for the team.
A mis mún go glamari mogúirste dúine eile an na Eileann ód ha sin nuair má cot chéalas a seirsa car nu seirsa car tálachas acin amach a bhí déanú for ruútan.
Smishe marach ionndrainnn she manager Glasgow Island hanam agus hami abaroch an an Eileann Lewis.
Car na Eileann ha a dúine eolach a skippe, hún skil na a dog an go sin mór Ghlaschu had a dú go glúchiú san a skip a seo.
We've got to be looking up and looking for that.
A skip na Eileann ha cíal is a chúlú am is múngin ha skip a bhí ruí son imime blianas ha a dúna a bhí torst car chance de Unió go na Eileann a ha tíine amach deach clúich agus car carrot in ains dúine eile Eileanaich.
Going back a bit here, but there used to be two teams. They were named after the Park Bar and the Snaffle Bit, who sponsored them and where they were frequently found after games. You had the Snaffle Strollers and the Park Wanderers. As time has gone by, populations have reduced, less people are playing sport, etc. There wasn't enough players for two teams. I'm talking about island populations. So they had to amalgamate them. That happened in 1997, and the new team was called Glasgow Island, just to highlight the connection between the city and where most of the players were from. Our identity is very strong. We're fondly thought of as the Tuchter team, and yeah, the other teams, they're well aware of the connection.
Haar na blianaichen ha na cluicheadainn ag bhfuil gailach iad lútachaigh, ach a gaineann sin ha chan an háast na fáirt chuitrimach san skippe.
Chanil gailach ag tóirgin skippe, well, chanil dúine fialantach an hada se car céith nio cúig úine, so a dada bhí gachleach go car trích, rút vision Gianno bísin trích go cúd car teachgadach seachat an na gailach gyda fitch ors na bí sec na dúine eile car a díméile dé sin na grás. Bísin Gianno sin a ha dada nuad a car légan skip ac héin nach eile tuig sin dé sin na grán eile sin na géach goras mar sin. A bísin na fiachin. Níl tíide gachaigh ha fadach in mar nach de gachu.